Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Amor and I am from the Philippines and my partner is from Puerto Rico and we are the PhilippineRicans. So for today's video guys, we're going to share to you what to do next after your case was approved. Disclaimer, we are not an immigration expert, not a lawyer. All the information that we shared in this video guys is based on our personal knowledge and experience in processing our K1 visa. A lot of Filipino-American couple guys asking me what to do next after case approval. Before I proceed, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell button so then you will notify to our next video. Okay, let's start guys. What to do next when your case was approved. After submitting your application to the USCIS, you will receive a Notice of Action 1. And that Notice of Action 1, your petitioner will receive a hard copy on her or his mailing address. How to know if your case was approved? So go to the USCIS website to check your case or go to your mobile app, the US Immigration Case Tracker or Lawfully. I'll give you example how it looks like when your case was approved. Okay, so how to know your case approval guys? So just log on to the USCIS website or go to your mobile app if you're using US Immigration Case Tracker or Lawfully. Okay, on your tracker, this is how it looks like when your case was approved. They received our Form I-129F June 6. And then our case was approved October 24, 2024. So on October 24, 2024, we approved your Form I-129F petition for alien fiancé with the receipt number WAC and following with a series of numbers, and then we send you an approval notice. Please follow the instructions in the notice. So if you do not receive your approval notice by November 8, 2024, please go to the www.uscis.gov e-request. So you can request to the website guys if you didn't receive your approval notice. Okay? And if you want to change your address, let's say for example you move, you can go to the www.uscis.gov address change to give us your new mailing address. So inform them if you move to a different place. So after your case was approved guys, you will get another notification from your case tracker that your case was sent to the Department of State. So here, December 12 of 2024, our case was sent to the Department of State. This means guys that our case is been transferred to the NVC or the National Visa Center. 2 weeks after your case was sent to the Department of States, you can do public inquiry to the National Visa Center. So how to do public inquiry? Just go to the US Department of State's page, and then here you find the public inquiry form and inquiry response time. They have NVC published time frames here and case status. If you want to log in, last contact date here, and below is the public inquiry form. So note, responses to inquiries through the NVC public inquiry form will come from tsgsystem@tsg.state.gov. So remember this email address guys, okay? Please do not send inquiries directly to that address as they will not be received by the National Visa Center. Send all inquiries using the below public inquiry form. So they have the date of birth formatting also. Just follow the format example here. So okay, here we go. How to do public inquiry. Principal applicant's full name is your beneficiary's full name. Okay, and then principal applicant's date of birth is your beneficiary's birthday. Petitioner's full name, of course, and then who are you? So here you can select an identity. If you are the petitioner, just click petitioner. If you are principal's applicant or your attorney or others like agency like that. So in our first inquiry, my petitioner did the public inquiry. So we choose petitioner. And then your email address. So this is the petitioner's email address that time. Enter your inquiry below. So here you can write a message or your concerns here. You can tell here when your case was approved, when your case was sent to the Department of States, like that. And then choose file. Attach here, guys, your notice of action 1 and notice of action 2. And then CAPTCHA validation, just click the box and then submit. Okay, so once you submit the form, then you will know from this email address, they will respond to you about that. But for the record, you will see here your case number, your beneficiary's name, your birthday of your beneficiary, and your petitioner's name. So this is how it looks like, the response, guys. But then again, NVC will respond 3 to 5 days. So there is one more email that you will receive after you do the public inquiry. So okay, and then next, this is the reply from your public inquiry, guys. So this is the I think this is the second time we do the public inquiry. And here, to me concerns, the National Visa Center or NVC recently received your immigrant visa petition from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services or USCIS. So your petition is now waiting for data entry into our system. So they just received our case, guys. So if your case is not in our system yet, we cannot make an update. So meaning to say, there's one more public inquiry that you can do and make sure that next time NVC replied to you is with your National Visa Center case number, which starts with MNL if you are from Philippines. So NVC will contact your petitioners about your status and the information of your NVC case numbers. So now, guys, if the NVC respond to you with your NVC case number, which starts with MNL or your Manila case number, you can check your status to the U.S. Department of State or the Consular Electronic Applications Center or the CEAC. So okay, to check your visa application status, enter your immigrant visa case number, which is your National Visa Center case number, MNL. Here, put it here and then enter the code as shown and then submit. You will see here your case status at the National Visa Center. So when it says at NVC, it means that your case is still at their office at NVC. And when the case status says in transit, that's the time that your case is forwarded to the embassy in your home country. Okay, and when it says case ready, meaning to say your case is already at the embassy of the home country. During in transit also, the National Visa Center will send the K1 FTP or the welcome letter to your petitioner. So also the beneficiary will receive the welcome letter, but it takes time. So what you need to do is ask your petitioner to scan the K1 FTP or email it to you, so then you will have a copy because you need that welcome letter on your interview date. What is on the K1 FTP or the welcome letter, guys? So this is the K1 FTP welcome letter. On the upper left corner, you have your Manila case number here and the date. It says here, the National Visa Center received your fiancé spouse approved I-129F petition from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. NVC will now forward the petition to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in Manila, Philippines. Please note that the transfer process can take several weeks. So next step, Here, go to our website, the nbc.state.gov K1, to learn how to apply for a K1 visa and prepare your visa interview. So, the following information is the information of your beneficiary. So, the case number, the USCIS receipt number, the principal applicant's name, and the petitioner's name, interview location, the address of the interview, and that's it. So again, your beneficiary needs this K1 FTP or welcome letter during on her or his interview date. So make a lot of copy of this, and now you're good to go to the website and make your DS-160, pay your visa fee, book an appointment of your biometrics, and then your medical. So the next video will be the how to fill out the DS-160. And we will share to you more about our K1 visa process. So thank you for watching this video, and that's all for now. Bye! Gracias!